The Adventure Van Expo returned to the Deschutes County Fairground for the 2022 season. Bend, Oregon is world famous both for its outdoor pursuits and pristine view, making it the perfect location for the Adventure Van Expo. At the show, we saw gorgeous interior builds, learned about products essential to van life, listened to great music, and of course, enjoyed some delicious cold beer. Sometimes, in order to get to some of those pristine, beautiful locations, your rig needs to be equipped to handle whatever the trail, or lack thereof, throws at you. Join us as we check out some of the off-road upgrades you can expect to see at one of our shows.
Hello, I'm Rob from Van Compass. We're here at the 2022 Adventure Van Expo here in beautiful Bend, Oregon. We're here displaying some of our premier products that we offer for the Mercedes Sprinter and Ford Transit platforms. If you know anything about Van Compass, we specialize in high-end suspension upgrades, armor and recovery components, as well as light mounting solutions. And we'll kind of talk you through some of those components here now. You know, we work closely with Falcon Shocks, bringing Falcon Shock technology to the van world. You know, very popular components for sprinters, our 4.3 kits, 2.3 kits, 6.3 kits, and full electronic shock options. You know, here's one of our front shock packages for a sprinter van. Quick adjustability, internally tuned for the weight of the van. Just fully transformative as far as the driving dynamics of the vehicle. Turns an empty, heavy cargo van into a Mercedes. We make vans drive like kind of the luxury vehicle that they should be. Some of the bracketry to mount them, our new Baja bracket, which is a reinforcement component for the rear shock bolt location, bracketry, sway bar disconnect, sumo spring upgrades, just runs the gambit, kind of full catalog build from top to bottom, suspension, armor, everything. So not only suspension, we also do a lot of armor and recovery components. Here's our 2017 Transit, but here's our front winch mount. You know, works behind the bumper, factory front bumper, so we don't really mess up any aerodynamics. You know, light mounting solutions, recovery, skid plate, full armor, and then of course, full suspension upgrade on this van as well. Here on their 2022 Sprinter, floating light mount to mount Baja design lights. Our new light step configuration that's adaptive with all the parking sensors and adaptive cruise control. It all works together for more light mounting solutions. Armor underneath, skid plate package. And then again, this van is equipped with our 4.3 kit, so fully adjustable Falcon Shock package, tuned to the weight of the van to make this thing drive like a Mercedes should. Another thing we're kind of known for that we're really the only ones doing is, you know, we make like a true rocker guard for both the Sprinter and the Transit van. So this is a true rocker guard, not just the step. It's got high lift jacking points front and rear. So you can put a floor jack anywhere on here, put a high lift on it, and there's just the strength in them. It's crazy strong. Takes the full weight of the van, so full protection and just a really good step to get in the van too. So another thing that's unique to us, only at Van Compass. Thanks for checking us out. Thank you for attending the Adventure Van Expo. If you have any other questions about our products, go to our website at vancompass.com or see us at the next Adventure Van Expo show.
Hi, I'm Gavin Horlick with Vox Products. We are a family-owned wheel company based in Southern California. We've been building wheels since 1995. We have a variety of brands available. In the van market specific, we have our GFX brand, which also includes some off-road pickup truck stuff as well. And we focus on really good quality parts at affordable prices. We are business to business only, but we are van enthusiasts first. This is our second van that we've had behind us. And we really like the culture. We're happy to be here at the expo, and we're looking forward to growing the market segment of vans. In the GFX brand, we have 3 wheels specifically designed for the van segment, the MV1, the MV2, and the MV3. We offer a 16 and a 17-inch size in all 3 designs. We also include Transit all-wheel drives. We do ProMasters, we do Sprinters, we do Freightliners, and we do the NV series vans as well. If you don't have a van and you drive a pickup truck, We have lots of truck applications, and we have passenger car applications under our Vox brand. This is a 5-lug application in our MV1 design. This is specifically for your older sprinters or your older Freightliners, which were a 5-on-130 bolt pattern. We also make this wheel with 6 lug bolts for the newer sprinters, but it does have 6 spokes. Everything about the wheel is all casted, so it's incredibly durable. It'll look great for a long time. It's super easy to clean, and the cap is recessed with the Allen screws. The Mv3 wheel is available in a 16 and 17-inch application. We drill it in a 6-lug configuration for sprinters. We also drill it in the 5-lug application, so if you have a ProMaster or an older Freightliner or older sprinter, they also are available. All of our wheels are offered in 2 different offsets. So if you have a standard height van and you want to keep the wheel and tire package in the same location, we can definitely cater to that. We can even use the same tires. If you have a lifted application and you're running something like a Van Compass or an Agile Rip Kit, you want to generally move the tire and wheel package towards the curb a little bit. And so we offer a lifted application as well. The Mv3 wheel here is our newest design. It's being very well received, and it is a larger cap design. We have had a couple of customers like to color match the cap to the vehicle, which is kind of a nice treatment. It's a multi-piece cap, so the logo will actually come out. You can paint the trim ring to match the vehicle, and then install the logo and install it on your vehicle. It is also available in 16 and 17 inch in multiple rear spaces or offsets to cater to either a standard height van or a lifted application van. The GFX wheel line includes dually applications and the Transit all-wheel drive. For those of you that have these unique vehicles, there aren't a lot of wheel options. So what I'm showing is on this side, this would be the front of the dually, or this would be the Transit all-wheel drive wheel, which goes on all 4 corners. The Sprinter dually is pictured here on this side, and this wheel has a nice deep lip to it. The beauty about our dually wheel is that the valve stem for the inner tire, which is super important, actually comes through the openings in the spokes, so you can fill the air on the inside of the dually rear tire from the outside of the van. Thanks for checking us out at the Adventure Van Expo. Find out more information at voxwheel.com.
Hey guys, Max here with Sept Offroad. We're here at Adventure Van Expo over at Bend, Oregon. We're displaying our products. We have the bumper that's well known for. We also have horn kits that we're selling. The new shock for the hood. That's been really popular just within a couple of days that we launched it. We also make harnesses that can plug and play for a Baja design and winch connect, and a couple more things coming out. So I'm glad to see everybody here at the show. So guys, one of the best features that we have for the bumper obviously protects your front end. We also have the hitch receiver in the front. A lot of people like to use like a hammock in the front. Some people actually back in like a boat or maybe a jet ski or some sort. You also have this bar that's a DOM tubing that you can mount lights on top. People mount all kinds of lights, also capable of the winch. Usually you use about 12,000 pound Warn Evos. You have tow points. They're not just welded on the outside, they're welded all the way in. That way you can actually rescue or pull yourself out or somebody else for a tow point. You kind of have a skid here in the front. Not only is it protecting, it also has a lot of vents that keep that engine cool and that intercooler that's behind it. This is our latest product that we have is struts, shocks for the hood. As your Mercedes owners know, this little dinky thing is just no good. You're always fighting it, trying to get in, get out, kind of with it when you're filling the DEF fluid, and these things break and they bend. So we came out with a solution with the shocks. It's really a bolt-on. Within less than 5 minutes, you have a full.
I'm sold. When do we get on?
That's it. It's that easy. Look at that. Easy peasy. So make sure you get one of these. They're really lifesavers. Okay, guys. So we also have a plug-and-play harness for people that are running our bumpers for the Baja Design LP6s and LP9s and LP4s. So this is really nice, a plug-and-play kit, makes it super easy. So you got your factory switches, it goes right into the Mercedes dash. You got the high, low. You have the amber, and you have one extra one. So when you're ordering our bumpers, just make sure you can check out the accessories and other things. It's seal tight, watertight, all weather. You know, it's really high quality. It's what you need. So make sure you check our website. All right, guys, hey, thank you for showing up. Thank you for supporting our business. You can also, if you haven't had a chance to see us today, you can always go to the website at www.catonoffroad.com. Thank you again.
Thanks for checking out the Adventure Van Expo in Bend, Oregon. This was only a small example of what you can expect to see at one of our shows. To experience the full gambit, you really need to come out and see one for yourself. We have a couple more stops this season, and if there's a destination you'd like to see the expo attend next year, let us know in the comments below. We're looking forward to seeing you all at one of our shows.